Hello friends, today in this AI class, I'm going to tell you that how you can create your presentation with the help of AI. The software which you can see on my screen, that is freepik.com. With the help of this, you can create your PowerPoint presentation very easily here at this on this home page. When you will log in it with your ID, you can see blank template to edit to go. One more time, I'm telling you, freepik.ai, just log in it with your ID. After logging it, as you can see, I have logged in it with my ID. After that, if you want, you can directly click on Start Creating option. Otherwise, just scroll it down, and here you can see few sites are here, like Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post, or custom size. You can set the size as per your choice. These all are the editable files. If you will click on it, then you are able to edit here. These are the branding business card, ID cards, leather and templates, whatever you want, you can choose and you are able to do the editing in this also. Everything I will tell you step by step. First of all, I'm just clicking on start creating option. Here you will get create an AI image, create an AI video, generate a voiceover, AI icon, customize a design and customize mockup. I just want to start with customize a design so that I can tell you that how we can do the designing with the help of this AI. As I will click on customize design option, you can see few templates are here and one screen is here. As per our topic, we can change. Now my topic is graphic design. I'm typing here my topic, graphic design. Now you can see different types of templates are here. If you like, you can choose these templates for doing the design. Otherwise, just click on it. And here, I'm not going with any template. I will design my own. The first one, you can choose the page color. I'm taking it green. So the green color will be filled here. Now here, it is same as PowerPoint, but AI will help here. Now here I'm clicking on AI presentation. As I will click on AI presentation, here you will type the topic. My topic is 5C in digital marketing. Tone, you can choose. I'm choosing casual. How many pages you want? As suppose I have typed here 8. Language, you can choose. I'm typing here auto, then it will choose any language as per your choice. Otherwise, you can choose English. These are the style, which style you want. I want this style. And after that, just simply click on generate AI presentation. It will take few minutes because it's loading. It will just look at here, then it will start thinking, and within 2 to 3 minutes, it will start for generating your presentation. Now, just wait for 2 minutes. So here you can see your presentation is ready. As I have mentioned the topic, unlocking the 5 C's of digital marketing, your guide to success. Designing and everything is here. If you want, you can change the design. Apply remaining pages. It is showing everywhere. If I will click on apply remaining pages, then it will click on it and all the pages will be here. This is my first page. If I will click here, this is my second page. Everything you can see. Welcome to digital marketing. In this presentation, we will explore as I will click on it. Okay. Now, first of all, I will do ungroup. Now, here I will click. I can change my text style. I can increase the size. I can make it bold, italic, underline. And this is the AI writer. AI writer means I have mentioned this one, but I don't like this. So I will choose AI writer. Rewrite text, continue writing, make short, fix spelling, whatever you want, change tone. Or if you want to translate in any other language, you can choose this one. I just want to rewrite the text. So it will show this one. And if you will like this, then just simply click on replace and then the text will be changed within a minute. Okay. After this, the next option is the delete. You can delete it. And this is the copy style. You can copy it and you can paste it anywhere. In the same way, we are moving here. Everything is, you can see everything is ready. This is pip 6 and it is just continuing all the slides because I have mentioned apply all. Now in the last one, thanks. Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, Twitter, all the options are here. I just want to make the link with my contact number. So first of all, again, I'm doing it ungroup. Now I'm clicking on it. And I want if anybody will click here on this link, contact number, then he will be able to make me call. So right now I'm just going to delete it. And here I just want to write my own text. These all are the text style. Which one you like, you can choose. I'm taking the simple one. And to the double click on it. And here I just want to mention call +918171312525. Just mention your contact number or you can choose any. I just want to change the color. I'm taking it yellow and just keep it here. Now I just want to make the link. Click here URL +918171312525. Like this, you can connect your URL, you can contact number. In the same way, if I want to mention here, I'm just taking again and again I'm typing www.raticoachamp.com. Again, I'm going to change the color and I'm just keeping it at the bottom side. Now click on this link and same I'm typing www.raticoachamp.com. Make the tick. Now the link is ready. If anybody will click here, then he will directly move to your website. In the same way, you can do with all. If you will like this, just click on this present option. When you will click on this presentation, see if I'm clicking on it, it is directly moving to my website. As you can see, it is here on the screen. So this is your choice. You can make the link with any as per your divine or as per your choice. It has opened it in a new tab. Okay, now this is my old one. All slides are ready. So this is the presentation option AI present. And again, I'm telling you, you can change the shape of the image also. Suppose I have taken this one. Now this is remove BG. You can remove the background. You can replace the picture with your picture. For example, I'm clicking here. Here you can upload one picture from your desktop if you have, otherwise just simply click on another picture, then it will be changed. This is the masking option as it is in this shape. I want to change the shape, so I'm choosing this, and it will be convert in other shape as per your choice. So with the help of this masking, this is the filter. You can set it up and down. You can crop the image. You can delete the image. And with the help of this, you can make forward, up, down, left, right, all these opacity, dark and light you can use with this. So this is a quick way for creating the presentation. Just simple type your topic as if you don't know about C's, then it will come here and it will show you all. This is the share option. You can directly share your link to anybody, or if you will click on this export, then it will be saved in your desktop and you can present it anywhere in your business profile or in your office. I hope this part is completely clear for you. Just try this freepik.com and create your own presentation within 1 minute.